Have you ever looked up at the sky and seen a little flying object zooming around and wondered what it was? Maybe it was a bird, or perhaps it was a toy drone that someone was flying in their backyard, or even a special kind of flying machine called a UAV. Don't worry if you've never heard of a UAV. You might know them better as drones. So let's take flight into the fascinating journey of drones. The story of drones starts a long time ago, before most of us were even born. Although we think of drones as modern inventions, their origins go back to the early 20th century. In the 1900s, new types of flying machines called aircraft were beginning to take to the skies. People were excited about the possibilities of flying, but inventors were always dreaming of using aircraft in new ways. In 1916, a clever inventor named Archibald Lowe created a device he called the aerial target. It was a smaller, radio-controlled plane. This flying invention wasn't a drone in the same way we think of them today, but it was one of the first ideas leading towards the creation of drones. Many years later, during World War II, researchers and inventors realized they could create drones that could be controlled from afar. The military used drones for practice in flying. They were called Unmanned Aerial Vehicles, or UAVs for short. These early versions were not as fun as the drones we see nowadays, but they were a step closer. After the war, people realized that drones could be beneficial beyond military purposes. Researchers and scientists began thinking of other uses for these amazing flying machines. Fast forward to the 21st century, and drones became accessible to more people. Thanks to advances in technology, they became smaller, lighter, and easier to fly. In 2006, Chris Anderson became interested in drones and robotics after noticing how much they could do. He found a company called 3D Robotics and began making drones that anyone could buy. This opened up a whole new world for hobbyists and everyday people. People started using drones not just for fun, but for important jobs. Today's drones come in all shapes and sizes and can be used for many different things. Then there was Peter Warden, who worked on making drones easier to use and more affordable. He co-founded companies dedicated to creating drones for both fun and useful purposes. His efforts helped show everyone how valuable they could be, promoting their use in many fields. Together, these inventors inspired many other creators who entered the drone industry. When we say drone, we're talking very generally about a device that's radio controlled by someone who isn't actually inside the aircraft. So there are a few different types of drones. Like, I own a drone that uses rotors like a helicopter to fly. You've likely seen one of these flying around before. They have more than one rotor that makes them hover above the ground. They can quickly dart back and forth and are often used for taking videos or photos from the sky. Some drones, like the very large ones used by the military, have fixed wings like an airplane. These drones are almost the size of a small airplane and take off the same way. They are mounted with cameras and explosives used for their missions. Drones have become incredibly helpful in solving problems and making our lives better in many ways. One of the most exciting uses for drones is in the field of photography and videography. Drones with cameras can capture stunning images from the sky. Imagine being able to see your house, your neighborhood, or even the whole park from above. Many photographers and filmmakers use drones to create breathtaking videos and photos that allow us to see the world in new ways. Drones are also super helpful in farming. Farmers are using drones to take care of their crops. These flying machines can fly over the fields and gather information about the plants growing below. Part of a farmer's job is to keep their plants healthy, and drones make it easier for them by finding out which areas need more water or attention. By using drones, farmers can save time and resources. This means we have better food for everyone. So the next time you bite into a delicious apple or a juicy strawberry, a drone might have played a part in making sure that fruit was healthy and ripe. In the country of Rwanda in Africa, drones are used to deliver medical supplies to areas where it can be challenging to reach by traditional vehicles. Most people in Rwanda don't live close to a hospital. Before these drones were introduced, patients sometimes had to wait a long time for help. Now, with the help of drone technology, vaccines, blood, and other materials can be flown quickly to health centers, saving lives and ensuring that people receive the medical attention they need when they need it most. This incredible use of drones shows how technology can make a significant impact on health and well-being. Another area where drones are making a big difference is in search and rescue operations. When someone's lost, it can be hard for rescue teams to find them, especially in big forests or over mountains. That's where drones come in. Drones can fly over large areas and search for missing people much faster than humans. They can even help locate those in need during emergencies, such as natural disasters. Using drones during these important times makes rescues easier and can even save lives. Drones are also being used to help scientists learn more about our planet. For example, people use drones to watch wildlife and track changes in habitats. They can observe animal behaviors without causing any disturbance by staying in one place quietly in the air. This gives them a better understanding of how animals live and helps protect endangered species. They allow scientists to gather important information while keeping everyone safe. In addition, drones are being used for delivering packages, and this will likely be more and more common. Amazon started their drone delivery service in some cities. Imagine ordering a special toy or a book online, and then watching as a drone swoops down to deliver it right to your doorstep. However, while drones are very helpful, it's important to remember to use them safely and responsibly. Just like any other technology, we need to make sure we're following the rules and respecting the space of others. Drones can be fun to fly, but we should remember that they're not simply toys, and they have the power to collect information. That's why flying drones comes with rules and safety guidelines so that everyone can enjoy them safely. Drones have an incredible journey, evolving from military inventions to flexible tools that can help humanity in countless ways. From capturing breathtaking images from above to aiding farmers, rescuers, and scientists, drones are showing us how powerful and useful they can be. With each new day, technology keeps improving, and who knows what the future holds for drones. The sky is the limit. With the right guidance and care, drones will continue to make our world a better place, allowing us to dream big and aspire to great heights. So next time you see a drone buzzing in the distance, remember just how special they are and the wonderful things they can do.